Top 10 foods that can improve kidney health. Number 1. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries and raspberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamins which can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. Number 2. Cranberries. Cranberries are known for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections which can lead to kidney issues. They contain antioxidants that may help protect kidney cells from damage. Number 3. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are low in potassium and high in vitamins A and C, making them a nutritious choice for kidney health. They also contain antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic has anti-inflammatory properties and can help lower blood pressure, which is beneficial for kidney health. It also contains allicin, which may help protect the kidneys from damage. Number 5. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a low potassium vegetable that is high in fiber and vitamins C and K. It can be a versatile ingredient in various dishes, supporting overall kidney health. Number 6. Onions. Onions are low in potassium and high in antioxidants, making them a great addition to a kidney-friendly diet. They also contain quercetin, which may help reduce inflammation. Number 7. Cabbage. Cabbage is low in potassium and high in vitamins and antioxidants. It contains compounds that may help reduce inflammation and support kidney function. Number 8. Kale. Kale is a nutrient-dense leafy green that is low in potassium and high in vitamins A, C and K. It also contains antioxidants that can help protect the kidneys. Number 9. Apples. Apples are high in fiber and antioxidants which can help reduce inflammation and support kidney health. They are also low in potassium, making them a safe choice for those with kidney concerns. Number 10. Cherries. Cherries are low in potassium and high in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which may help reduce inflammation. They can be enjoyed fresh or in smoothies.